Exodus have developed several new technologies to help our clients meet their future goals, with a particular focus on energy transition and process improvement. These technologies include our new Process Optimizer, which provides a robust optimization method applied in real time alongside our digital twin technology to demonstrate how operations can make small changes daily to realize significant energy and carbon savings. We've developed and fine-tuned our data visualization methods, which allows you to interact more with your data and drill down through its layers to reach valuable conclusions. This has become increasingly more important when considering often complex and multivariate problems. We've developed a range of process modules which all contain industry-standard calculations and can be plugged together to create a bespoke, fully automated capacity tool for your asset, which removes the necessity to perform individual and time-consuming calculations to understand capacity constraints. And finally, we've expanded our online dashboarding capability in cooperation with our partners to offer live asset performance monitoring. This has already been implemented in projects such as virtual metering of flare emissions and compressor health monitoring. This session explains our approach to creating an automated capacity assessment tool that significantly reduces calculation and project turnaround time to quickly understand the capacity constraints of your process. Performing individual calculations for vessels, valves, pipes, and so on is a time-consuming and inefficient exercise. We've developed a range of process modules for typical plant units that contain industry-standard calculations for equipment rating. These modules can be plugged together, replicating the process simulation flowsheet to create a bespoke, fully automated capacity tool for the asset. By integrating the process simulation, such as HYSYS and Unisim, it is possible to run practically unlimited cases and analyze a wide range of operating scenarios, whilst performing a full set of capacity calculations for each case. This automated approach significantly reduces calculation time and increases case study flexibility, as a wider range of cases can be explored at no additional effort. This software can help define your next steps, such as switching to low-pressure operation, increasing throughput by bringing new wells online, or attracting third-party business. New data visualization methods, such as parallel coordinate plots and radar charts, allow the user to effortlessly drill down through the layers of data and visualize relationships between equipment. For example, easily identifying that the production separator is the bottleneck, and drilling down to understand which parameters, such as nozzle momentums and velocities, are the key influencers. In this example, Exodus was tasked to complete a technical evaluation of a heated oil recirculation concept to boost the separator inlet temperature. This project required a rapid turnaround due to the impact of poor oil and water separation on operations. Exodus were challenged to show that no additional equipment is required, and that there is no effect on downstream oil processing equipment, which is particularly sensitive to low oil temperatures. This concept presented several design challenges, including issues with pressure drop in the pump suction, heat input proportional to recirculating oil flow, and a wide range of operating scenarios to be investigated. Our solution was to create a bespoke capacity tool for the asset by plugging together our process modules, including a three-phase separator, an oil pump, an oil heater, and piping modules. We then connected it to our case study software and the client Unisim model. We evaluated a range of operating scenarios in excess of 20,000 cases, including different production flows, produced fluid temperatures, water cuts, and so on. Through this approach, we were able to explore the design limitations of current equipment and the effect on separator feed temperature and downstream oil processing. In another example, Exodus was tasked to understand the ultimate capacity of a slug catcher in different pressure modes and develop debottlenecking options to achieve the desired throughput. This work was turned around in 8 hours. Our solution was to connect our slug catcher process module to our case study software and the client's HYSYS model. This allowed a full set of industry standard calculations to be completed for each case, assessing liquid residence time, gas handling capacity, nozzle momentums, and so on. The production flow through the slug catcher was gradually increased, and debottlenecking options were automatically developed until the slug catcher ultimate capacity was found. This was identified as when the gas handling capacity of the slug catcher was reached. By creating an automated capacity tool for your asset, we have significantly reduced calculation and project turnaround time, and can quickly understand the capacity constraints of your process. If you would like to know more, please visit our website at exdisgroup.com or contact me directly at stuart.blackburn@exdisgroup.com.